Parshat Beshalach is known also as Shabbat Shirah, of course, because of Shirat Hayam, Az Yashir, that was sung after Ma'avar Hayam, Jews going through Yam Suf, the miracle of the opening of Yam Suf, which the Ramban writes was the greatest of all the miracles of the process of Yetziat Mitzrayim, of Jews getting out of Egypt. And of course we know Moshe Uvnei Yisrael, Lecha Anu Shira, Moshe and Bnei Yisrael, they sang the song of the sea. But then Miriam Hanivi'ah, the prophet, is the sister of Moshe Rabbeinu, with all the women, they went out of the camp and also sang, and they had the tambourines and the drums, the tupim umecholot, dancing and singing. And Chazal asked the obvious question of where did they bring the tambourines and the drums from? And Chazal say because this was a hope that Miriam and the Neshei Israel had. They knew that there's going to be singing and dancing down the line. The hope of Yeshua, the hope, the positivity of looking for a better future came from Neshei Israel, from the woman. And even though that everyone else stepped out into the unknown, Be'eres lo zru'ah, like the pasuk says, in a desert, a wilderness, but they came with knowing. And now Miriam, who is 86 years old at this point, she never saw a good day in her life. She was born into slavery. She didn't remember the good old days. She was a child of slavery, and yet that hope that we have as a hallmark of Klal Yisrael, of Lishuatcha Kivinu Hashem, that we hope for that, it's part and parcel of our faith, our life. One of the 13 principles of Yeshua, of Emunah, of our faith is the Sipita al Yeshua, one of the 6 questions that they're going to ask after Me'av Yisrim. Sipita, were you constantly awaiting the coming of Mashiach? Bechol yom achake lo sheyavo. That is part of our life, to wake up in the morning with positivity, taking on the day, even the difficult ones, knowing that it's going to be dancing and singing at some point down the road, and bringing those tupim umecholot, that bischut nashim tzadkaniyot nigalu mimitzrayim, that in the zchut of our righteous women, we were nigal. Part of that is this positivity, which is a hallmark of our nation, but really something that we have as the DNA of us, and something to develop, something to work on. That positivity, that futuristic, positive and powerful mindset, which Be'ezrat Hashem will bring about our Yeshua, may it be soon in our days, Be'ezrat Hashem. Amen.